students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are revising your previous concepts on regular basis. So students, as you know that we had completed our unit A of our tier 2, right? And today we are going to start our new unit, unit B. In the previous unit, I introduced you a blend SH words, right? What is the sound? It's sh sound. Till now, we had done lots of practice with different kinds of worksheet. And today, I will introduce you a new unit and with a new blend. So, I want to ask you that is there any doubt? We had completed the SH words in our English book as well as we had completed it from our writing skills book as well. Right? So, is there any doubt in that unit? ऑल्दो आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया ये यूनिट बट बी रेगुलर विद प्रैक्टिस आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है रिवाइज 3 to 4 words related to the same blend okay this will build up your concept so let's start our today concept students you all have to bring out your child centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D let's introduce you a new blend today so you all are interested. Yes? Okay, let's start. Okay, I will open your book. You all have to come on page number 1414. Please open page number 14 from your book. Yes, you all have to bring out your pencil as well. Okay? So before starting this worksheet, you all have to fill the topmost column. Write today date on top. Here in this column, you have to write the date as well as you all have to circle the day. What is the day today? You all have to circle it. Okay. Go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. So today, what I am gonna share it with you, today I will introduce you a new blend that is CH word. What is it? CH. C will give you K sound, H will give you H sound. When both of the consonants combine, it will give you a sound Ch. With sound Ch sound. Okay, students, let's see. Right. So over here you have to focus. So students, today I will introduce you the CH words. Previously we did the SH word. It will give you sound sh. And today we are doing the SH word. So SH, wherever you see this those blend it will give you sound ch whether it is in the beginning and whether it is in the ending it will give you the same sound so that you have to keep it in your mind that ch will give you ch sound what sound ch sound okay let's take some instance for it so students, you have to split the word in two halves, a blend sound and the other sound. So here you see the CH is in the beginning. So it will give you ch sound and the next is air. So ch, air, it's chair. So here you can see the image, there is a chair. Okay, in the same way you have to see it's lun and ch. CH will give you the same sound in end. Wherever you place the same blend, either it is in the beginning, it is in the end, sound will remain same. So what is it? Ch. So ch. It's lunch. Okay, so you will see the image over here. What is it? This is a lunch, a healthy lunch. Okay, now see the boy, where the boy is pointing out. This one is his cheek. What is it? Cheek, right? So you will see over here, eek, cheek, right? Okay, so now I hope so that you will understand what is the sound of your new blend. CH word will give you sound ch. What sound, students? You have to write it in your notebook that CH will give you sound ch. A big ch, ch say chammach. You have to write like this in your notebook, not over here, not in your English book. You have to write it in your English notebook where you revise your concept. Okay? So जहां पर भी आप ये CH words देखोगे, you have to pronounce the sound ch. Okay? So related to the same sound here, we will do some words. Okay? So Let's begin. Let's see the information given below, then we will start. So there are some additional words to you, students, and there are some clip arts also given to you. Below that there are some words written. So one by one you have to see the picture, recognize it, and then read the whole word. And one more thing, you have to read aloud. Fine. So first of all, let's start from top. Here you come. Take your pencil in your hand. You all have to match the correct image with the correct word. So start from the very first picture. First of all, see the picture very carefully. What you will observe. Have you ever seen this picture before? Yes, ma'am. This is a chair. Yes. Now read it over here. CH will give you sound. See, it's already highlighted with orange color. Ch. CH will give you sound. Ch. Ch. Air. So what is it? Chair. Okay. Now you have to match the correct picture with the correct word. Now in the same way, see this one. See, she is a girl, a very beautiful girl. Where is she pointing out? Where is her hand? Her hands on her cheek, है ना? Her hands is on her cheek. So this one is cheek. See, there is double e, so it will give you long sound. Cheek. So now match the correct picture with correct image. Sorry, correct word. Okay, this one is already done for you. What it is? Cherry. Cherry. You like cherries? Yes, this one is cherry. So here you just have to trace it. This one is cherry. Cherry. Now see, this boy is pointing towards his chin. What is it? Chin. So this one is the correct word. Match it with the correct word. Now come to the next one. Now see this one. Okay, what you observe over here? Here the word ch is in the beginning, है ना? Everywhere the ch is in the beginning. Now you will see over here. This one is an image of bench. This is a bench. So b and ch will give you bench. Now the ch is in the end, but sound is same. Yes, the sound is same. Ch will give you ch sound. Okay, so this thing you have to keep it in your mind. कहीं पर भी आपका चाहे beginning में है blend, if it is in the end or if it is in the middle also, it will give you the same sound. The sound will remain same. Sound आपकी कभी भी change नहीं हो. Is that clear to you? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so then you have to match it with the correct word. Now, see, this we have already done. What is it? Who will tell me? Ma'am, lunch. Very good. This is a lunch. So ch, lunch. So match it with the correct one. Again, if you see in the ending, the sound will remain same. It's ch sound. Clear? Now, see the next image. What is it? This one is a torch. Have you ever seen a torch? This one is a torch. So, t or ch, torch. So, you have to pronounce it like this, torch. Okay. Now, see the next image. This one is a watch. What watch will do? Tells us time. So this is a watch. So watch, watch. Where is ch? Who will tell me? Ma'am, in the end. Yes, the ch is in the end. Right? So students, today I'll introduce you which blend? CH blend. So whenever there is CH in any of your word, it will give you sound ch. You have to keep it in your mind. जब SH blend है, so it will give you sound sh, and if there is CH, so it will give you sound ch. Don't have to be confused in between both of the blend. Both are having different sound. Okay, now we will come along to some additional words. There are some additional words for you, so we will do these additional words also. So these additional words are having the same blend, ch. So some of them having ch in beginning and some of them are having ch in the end. So read it. So ch e k, chick. Next one is b n ch. It's bunch. Where is ch? In the end. Next one is ch ear, cheer. Next ch is cheese. Okay. One thing, keep it in your mind, when there is double thing है ना, डबल लेटर्स हैं, तो दिस साउंड विल लॉन्ग, चीज, राइट, बिकॉज देयर इज डबल ई, सो लॉ आपकी साउंड भी लॉन्ग हो जाएगी, चीज. नेक्स्ट च ऑक, chalk, right? So these are the additional words. You all have to revise all these words which are introduced you today, but main thing that you have to keep it in your mind is the sound. That ch will give you sound ch. What sound it will give you? It will give you sound ch. Okay, this thing you have to keep it in your mind, and then you have to revise all of these additional words along with it, the words which are introduced you upper, right, students? So before starting your creative work, let's have a quick revision of your all words. So this one is ch, air, chair, ch, eek, cheek. Next, ch, airy, cherry. Next, it's ch, in, chin. You don't have to look at on the picture, hide the picture and only try to read the word. This one is bench, bench. Next, lunch, lunch. Torch, torch. Long, loudly you have to do. Watch, watch. Next, check, check. Next, bunch, bunch. Next one is cheer. Next, cheese, cheese. Last one is chalk, chalk. Okay, so students, this is all about your English session. You all have to do practice of your new blend, and along with it, you all have to revise your SH blend, 3 to 4 words related to the SH words ऑल द टाइम. ओके, आपने एस एच वर्ड्स को भी रिवाइज करना है, बिकॉज दैट इज अ न्यू कंसेप्ट फॉर यू, और आई वॉन्ट दैट कि आप उसकी बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो ताकि आपका कंसेप्ट बिल्डअप हो अच्छे से. ओके, सो नाउ यू ऑल हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस हाफ पोर्शन, देन वी विल start with the creative work. Okay, students, for creative, you all have to bring out your drawing files, which is there with you. So creative we will do in your drawing file. So open your drawing files. You all have to carry a sharp pencil and erasers with you. So you have to take out a blank page in your drawing files and mention the date on top. Okay, here you all have to mention the date. So today I will share a new task for you all. Okay, from today onwards we start art painting. Okay, so step by step I will tell you that what is required for you to complete this worksheet. So students, today we will draw something and tomorrow we will do painting in it. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you all have to write the date on top, which I'll tell you previously. First of all, we started our painting session with a very simple way, right? To paint it in patrons, right? So I am taking a very simple patron first. So how we will start? First of all, you all have to Draw a straight line. What you have to draw? You have to draw a straight line like this. Here also you all have to draw a straight, one more straight line like this. Okay, as you see, these are the two parallel lines. Okay, both are having the same equal distance. Now what we will do, I will take my pencil, and here in this point I will draw a curvy line. Whenever you start doing पेंटिंग है ना, तो आपको बेसिक पेंटिंग ट्यूटोरियल्स पहले फाइंड आउट करनी है. ओके, सो अभी मैम बिल्कुल सिंपल वे से आपको पेंटिंग टीच करेंगे, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल डू, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन लाइक दिस and one curvy line like this. Fine. Now the next one, you have to draw a zigzag line. What you have to draw? You have to draw a line like this. A pointed like mountains, है ना? See, a zigzag line you have to draw. In this way, now it's completed. Okay, so students, these are the basic patterns जिसमें आप सबसे पहले अपने ब्रश को हैंड में होल्ड करके आप पेंटिंग करना स्टार्ट करोगे, है ना. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू टेक सम सिंपल इमेजेस जिसमें आप पेंट करोगे. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू स्टार्ट योर पेंटिंग थिंग, है ना. अभी तक हम क्रेयॉन्स यूज कर रहे थे, वी आर यूजिंग द पेंसिल कलर्स, यू आर यूजिंग द स्केच पेन्स, बट फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर होल्डिंग द पेंट ब्रश. सो हाउ यू विल स्टार्ट, यू स्टार्ट इट विद द बेसिक लाइन्स. ओके, आपको बेसिक लाइन्स के अंदर पहले पेंट करना सीखना है. देन यू विल स्टार्ट विद द कर्वी लाइन्स, देन विद zigzag lines, and then you have to come on the main thing, ऑब्जेक्ट पेंटिंग. ओके, सो एकदम से जब भी आप पेंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हो, सो डोंट स्टार्ट इट विद द ऑब्जेक्ट पेंटिंग, स्टार्ट इट विद दीज लाइन्स. Okay, so today you all have to use a blank sheet to draw these lines, and tomorrow I will share a new step with you that how you have to do painting. So today task is that you all have to draw these lines in your drawing files, and today only you have to gather a paint brush with you, plus you all have to take any of your favorite painting color, or you can say the poster color which is there with you. Okay, so one poster color is there with you plus paintbrush, all you require that, and a bowl or a paint tray जो भी आपके पास है that is comfortable with you, आप वो hold कर सकते हो. Okay, that's it for your today's session, students. I hope so that you like your painting session today. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.